Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking the parameter you want to automate and creating its automation clip. Right-click the knob or fader in FL Studio and choose Create Automation Clip. This instantly places an envelope in the playlist. Once created, name the clip and set its initial value so you know the baseline. Make sure the snap grid matches the musical division you need. While you're doing this, keep the mixer or channel rack visible to confirm the parameter changes as you draw automation. Now refine the motion. Add points by right-clicking the envelope and drag them to create ramps or steps. Use tension handles to smooth transitions or create sharp cuts where needed. If you want rhythmic gates, switch to hold mode. For gradual changes, choose smooth. You can also copy and paste envelope segments between clips to reuse patterns. Once done, adjust clip length and loop points so the automation follows song sections. Make sure the playlist track is set to snap to your musical grid for timing accuracy. To finish, listen through the full arrangement and tweak any mismatched levels. Render long or CPU-heavy automation to audio if performance suffers. If two controllers try to drive one parameter, the last write wins, so verify only intended clips or linked controllers are active. If automation stops responding, reset the plugin state by reloading it or delete and recreate the automation link. One quick troubleshooting tip. Solo the affected track and move the original control to confirm whether the envelope or the plugin is causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.